Hi everyone! Today we will sew with you comfortable and stylish Sakura jacket for girls size plus. You can find this sewing pattern on our website or in our Etsy shop. Please follow link under the video. Pattern pieces already include seam allowances for all edges. Stitch the elbow darts. Press towards the upper edge. Pin and stitch together back pieces. Press the seam allowance toward any side. Place together the front and the front side aligning notches. Stitch. Press the seam allowance toward the front side. Press patch pocket seam allowances toward the wrong side. The seam allowance is 1 cm for 3 sides, and the upper edge should be pressed according to notches. Fold the upper edge over to the right side. Stitch short size to the pocket. Pin pockets to the front pieces according to the marking on the pattern. Top stitch. Press. Use 1 cm wide fusible stay tape to interface shoulder edges. Put the bag between yokes. Pin and stitch. Press the seam. Top stitch the yoke with half 1 cm stitch length. As we have double yoke, shoulder seams and the neckline seam can be hidden. Stitch the outer yoke to the front and the inner yoke to the facing. Press neckline seams open and hand stitch them together. Place the facing and the front right sides together, aligning notches. Pin and stitch. Trim extra fabric from techniques. Turn the piece right way out and press flat. Top stitch the facing. Pin and stitch shoulder seams. Press seam allowance toward the back. Pin and sew the shape and underarm seam. Pin or base the sleeve cup to the armhole. Sew on the overlocker. Sew the belt pieces and your jacket is ready.